students, welcome to Maths class of Standard 5. And now we are going to start study chapter number 1, our national fruit mango. Now you have to see here question number 1, find the picture of mango from the picture given below and encircle them. You can see this is a table, and in the table there have many fruits. Only we have to see the mango and we have to encircle them like this. How I am doing it, you all have to do it. Only see the mango and encircle them. Okay, so first question is complete. Now we will go on second question. The second question is, draw two sketches of each fruits given below and fill green color in the sketch of mango. You can see these are fruits, and we have to draw on each fruit. We have to draw two pictures. The first one already I am drawn. So you have to see the second one also, second, third. I draw one. In this place you have to draw on your own one more picture. Okay, so turn the page and see on page number 6. Question number 3. The teddy bear liked the shape of mango very much. Find them from the shape given below and fill them with yellow color. You can see here this is a teddy bear, and this teddy bear liked the mangoes. This is mango, these are some mangoes, and this teddy bear liked the mango. Only we have to see the mangoes and we have to fill this color with yellow. Okay, so you have to fill with yellow color. Okay, now come on question number 4. Draw the different picture of mango using the shapes given below. You can see in this box there are many shapes given here. First one, I use it oval shape, and I draw here a mango. First you have to draw this oval shape, and little bit you have to turn out, and you can draw a mango. Like this, the other shapes you have to use, and here you have to draw mango. Okay, understand? Now turn your page and see the page number 8, question number 5. The question number 5 is, draw a design on the basis of the design of mango given below. You can see here have these 3 mangoes design. First you have to draw the shape of mango. Then after you have to fill it with some design. See, one I already drawn. I draw this mango, and then after I fill with it some design. Like this, here you have to draw mango shape, and in the mango shape you have to fill with some design. Question number 6. Write the number represented by each abacus in the figure and in words. So we can see these are abacus, and first we have to see leg and start counting 1, 2, 3, 4. So right here 4, it's a 4 leg. 10,000. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 10,000 means 70,000. So you have to write here 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1,000. 6,000. That means 7 and 6, 76,000. 100. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means 500. Here is tens. So again start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That means 80 on tens. In this line on ones there is no circle. So we have to write down here 0. So if we'll see the number of in figure, so we can saw 4,76,580. Number in words, we have to write down 4,76,580. Like this, you have to again count it in the figure. This is 10 lakh. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 on 10 lakh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 lakh. 4 and 7, that means 47 lakh. 10,000. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have to write here 10,000, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1,000. 10,000 and 1,000, 4 and 6, that means called 46,000. 100. 1, 2, 3. Write down here 100, 300. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In tens, we have to write down here 6. 1, 2, 3. Ones. On ones, we have to write ones. After this, we can see in the figure, number in figure 47 lakh 46,363. Now you have to do your own number in words. Here you have to write in words, that you have to do your own.